This is the American Gothic painting Mandela effect. Most of us are familiar with the painting called American Gothic. The painting shows images of a man and a woman standing in front of a small wooden house. She is in her apron and he's holding a pitchfork, and both of them are standing a bit stiffly and looking a little grim. The painting was created in 1930 by Grant Wood, and it became an instant success according to the Art Institute of Chicago, where it was first exhibited. Wood gained the inspiration for the picture when he was on a trip to the small town of Eldon, Iowa. Well, I remember the painting was of an older couple, husband and wife, not of a father and daughter. The wife had gray hair and she had her right arm down to her side. The husband was holding a pitchfork with his right hand, and both of them were looking straight. Well, now the wife has been replaced by what looks like the daughter, and she is now looking slightly to the left. This one really bothered me, so I looked into it, and here's what I found. Take a look. Let me know what you remember. Enjoy.